Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Kids. It's time to slice up some fruits and vegetables today. Let's start by slicing up this yellow lemon. Lemons are very sour, but when you mix it with other foods, it's a very tasty treat. Now let's slice up this juicy tomato. Careful when slicing up tomatoes. They have a lot of juice inside. Now let's move on to a juicier fruit. This red watermelon. Slice it up. It's best to eat watermelon on a hot summer day. Time to slice this orange carrot in half. Carrots are really good for your eyes, so make sure you eat a lot of it. Okay, time to slice up this fruit. Not sure if this is a peach or an apricot, so let's cut it in half to find out. Looking at the seed, this is an apricot. Now let's cut this sweet red strawberry in half. Do you guys like strawberries? I love them. Alright, get ready for the tier works. We're gonna slice up this onion. Oh, my eye burns! Woo! I'm tearing up. Let's move on. Now let's slice up something a little sweeter. How about this orange? Here are 4 juicy orange slices. Be sure to peel off the skin before you eat it. Okay, let's slice up this purple eggplant now. If you've never tried an eggplant before, give it a try. It's not that bad. Here's another sour fruit. Let's slice this lime in half. Just like lemons, limes go really well with the other dishes too. Now let's cut these purple grapes. When you eat grapes, make sure you spit out the seed. You don't want to get it caught in your throat. Time to cut this red apple in half. I always say this, but an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Alright, time to slice up this brown potato. Now we can make some French fries, mashed potatoes, or hash browns. What do we have here? Oh, it's a green bell pepper. I like eating my bell peppers stir-fried. What about you guys? Oh, yum! Let's slice up this yellow corn. Now we have 2 corn on the cobs. Let's slice up another vegetable. This time we'll cut this green broccoli in half. I know vegetables aren't everyone's favorite, but broccoli is really good for you. Alright, if you don't like vegetables, I'm sure you'll love this sweet yellow pineapple. Slice it up. Not many people can turn down pineapples. They're super delicious and super sweet. Let's move on to another vegetable. This time a green cucumber. Just like the bell peppers, I like stir-frying these too. Alright, now let's slice up this green pear. Pears are good to use when baking. You can make some delicious pies with pears. Now let's cut this peach in half. I love peaches! They're one of my favorite fruits because they're soft and sweet. Now let's slice this mushroom in half. When I eat steak, I love to have some grilled mushrooms on the side. And last but not least, let's slice this yellow banana in half. When you're feeling hungry, eat a banana and it'll give you the quick energy you need.
Whee! Woohoo!
Alright, Chase, it's time to go to bed.
I don't want to go to bed. I want to play more.
No, Chase, it's time to go to bed.
But I don't want to. I want some candy.
Okay, if you get ready for bed, I'll give you candy.
Okay, I'll go get ready. I don't need to go potty.
You have to go before bed.
But I don't want to.
Alright, Chase, if you don't go, then you don't get candy.
Fine. I'll try. Okay, all done.
Alright, let's see how you did. Good job, Chase. Okay, here's your candy.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. I love candy. That was so delicious. I want more candy.
Alright, time for bed.
I want to play more.
Let's go, Chase.
Oh, I don't want to.
You can play tomorrow.
Okay, fine. I'll go to bed.
Good night, Chase.
Good night. I still want some candy. Time to go check the fridge. Let's see. Nothing here. Nope. Nothing's in the fridge. Oh my gosh! Jackpot! Yum, 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 yum. I love jelly beans. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Jelly beans, jelly beans. Yum, 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 yum. That was so good. I love candy. Okay, time to go to bed.
Chase, it's time to wake up.
I don't feel so good. Oh.
Oh no, Chase, what happened?
I ate too much candy last night.
Oh boy, let's get you cleaned up.
I need a bath.
Okay, let's start by using some soap and washing your face. Use the scrub. Now let's clean off your shirt. It's a little dirty. Okay, we're almost finished. Just need to wash a little more. And there you go. You smell nice and you're super clean. How are you feeling?
I'm hungry.
Do you want candy?
No, no candy.
Okay, let me get you some real food. How about some carbs? Let me slice up some of this bread for you.
Yum, 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 yum. I like bread. Bread's good. Yum, 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 yum.
Alright, Chase. Time for your veggies now.
Mm,
If you eat this, your stomach won't hurt next time.
fine. Yum, 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 yum. Veggies are okay. Yum, 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 yum.
Now let's slice up some green peppers.
Yum, 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 yum. I like green peppers. Yum, 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 yum.
And for dessert, how about some refreshing watermelon?
Yum. I love watermelon. So sweet. Yum. That was so good. Yay! I feel better now.
Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.